course is designed, the test you, how the exams are being conducted, the way the questions are being asked. I think they test your basic knowledge. They test your uh, understanding about the subject. This is Girish Goenka. So I'm based off Bombay. There were close to 40 people, 50 people in the class at that time also attending the demo session. And the way Varun was paying attention to each and every person, I thought I need not look for any other place. I think this is the place where I should take up my CPA journey. It's been a wonderful experience. I can vouch for it. The way the miles have been supported, and even now the way miles have been supporting to me, or maybe to the new experience which are coming up. I think it's amazing. It's amazing. While I don't have much experience about any other institutions, I think the way Miles is doing, I don't need to even inquire about what others are doing. I think, if I'm not wrong, I joined Miles somewhere in 2013, 2014. That is the period where I joined. And it's been 7 years now, 2021. Even today, Miles is just a phone call. The kind of material they provided, or the way it was designed, it was just about perfect. If a person wants to complete it, if he is determined to complete it, I think that is just about enough. CPA matlab Miles.